Hey guys, it's Crispy Driver. We're at the BBQ, Blues, and Brews Cruise In here in Bloomfield, Indiana. There's a bunch of cool cars in behind me and we're going to try to check all of them out. So hope you guys like this video. If you do, hit that like button. Thank you so much and we'll check this out. All right, I think we're recording on all fronts. Check out this yellow Camaro here, guys. This is sick. Oh, it's got a white interior too. That's nice. Hell yeah. That's awesome. I like that a lot. All the yellow details. Very cool. So I don't know a lot about this show. Nice GTO. Very cool. Got the tiger right on top. Nice. Very cool. Very cool. So as I was saying, I don't know much about this show. Kind of just looked it up on Facebook and happened to see it on here for today. So we thought we'd swing out and check it out. That's awesome. Yanko Stinger. That's awesome. I don't think I've ever seen one of these. This one's for sale too. If y'all need one. Check out this GT500 Mustang. Love how the superchargers look on these. How big ass sucker is. Huge. Oh, excuse me. Camaro RS. Nice. 427 in there. That black top. That is sick. I believe this is like an actual cruise in. So like after the show or whatever, they'll probably all cruise to some destination, I assume. Making a lot of assumptions today. Swing over here. Nice Corvette. I think we literally saw this Corvette this morning, which will be last video for you guys. It's the exact same one. Mm-mm. The license says Rocket. That's cool. Not spelled like Rocket. Oh, okay, gotcha. Maybe it's Rockette. Maybe that's her name. That's a name, I think. We're gonna get these cars here. Look at this Malibu. Nice. Gorgeous. That is amazing color. That is awesome. I'm not gonna hit nobody backing up here. Loving that. That is gorgeous. Beautiful Camaro here. 1967. Nice. Nice, nice. This is a truck I like. Nice custom deluxe. Square body Chevy. Gorgeous. It's got some real tires on there. Look at that back. That's awesome. That's how you do a truck. A little bit tight in these, this show here. This thing. Chevy 3800. I have to back up a little bit to get this one. Nice. 1954. Heck yeah. Try to back up so you guys can actually see it. Heck yeah, that's awesome. Spin back this way and we'll get these other cars. We're going to do a bit of a weird one. We'll make it happen. 90s model? Nope, 87 Corvette L98. Very nice. Pontiac GTO Judge. Loving that. Paint on that one. That's amazing. Looks good. I got us a punch bug. Punch bug. No punchbacks. Gotcha. Never gonna get me, guys. Gotta be quick. Gorgeous, gorgeous blue Chevy Bel Air here. Down the side of this thing. Loving all these gold details on it. You guys can see the little gold little inlets there. It actually has the gold Chevy logo. That's awesome. Chevy block orange engine. That's how you do it right there. I like that. Crispy approved right here. Nice. That's awesome. Very cool. Got us an Impala. This thing's in great condition. Loving that. That looks good. I like that. So many cool cars here, actually. We're actually getting some stuff we haven't seen before. Here's another Pontiac GTO. Ooh, nice. If that's a triple carb setup. Very nice. Kind of sneak in behind here. 1966. Nice. Got a big Chevy truck right here. Very nice. I think we can actually get the good profile of this one here. Very good, very good. 1984 Monte Carlo G body. Look at that paint on this thing. Paint looks amazing. Really good. Loving that. Got another Corvair. I don't think we've seen this one. This one's in blue. I see a ton of red ones, but we rarely see any ones in blue. I really like this. The blue with the white interior. Yeah, that looks nice. Oh, nice. It's a K5 Blazer. I love K5 Blazers. Check this out. Loving that orange, too. Sorry to wipe my nose there. Check out the interior there. That is awesome. Loving these wheels, too. Nice, nice. Very cool. Very, very cool. Hell yeah. Nice little Jeep here too. Hell yeah. Got the winch. This thing's kitted out. Very nice. Like that blue color. Very nice. Boy. Got a Bel Air gasser here. Look at the blower on that side, bitch. Woo, 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 woo. Nice. Let's sneak around here. Very nice. So nice. Oh, you're okay. You're okay. Check out this Mustang here. It's Roush. That is nice. Hell yeah. Let's I guess we'll go kind of around and then back towards this way. American flag Suburban. I think Suburban. Looks like a Suburban. Oh, that's a Chevy, so whichever one that is. Nice big Ford truck. Look, that's an F1 truck. Cool orange 2020 Corvette. Got the Win 1/6 scale in there. That's pretty cool. Beautiful Mach 1. Gorgeous. Ford Galaxy 500. This one nicely patinaed. I'd say this is all original paint. Original engine as well. But that's a number matching one right there. Nice. Single cab, short bed, Silverado. Nice. Loving this. Check that out. It's awesome. Hell yeah. Monterey. Polestar Monterey. There we go. Yeah. Chrysler. I knew what that was. Loving that teal on that. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera. Nice. Ranchero or El Camino? El Camino. Pretty positive. About 80% positive. Nice. What are we looking at here? Chevy Master Deluxe. Nice. Very nice. So I'm not sure where there might be more cars, but we'll go ahead and see if we can't find them. If we can't find any, this is going to be the end of the video. Unfortunately, that was the last of the cars at this particular show. Definitely was a really awesome show, a real big turnout, and we ended up spending the rest of the day checking out all these vendors, and there was actually a lot of different barbecue places that had come out, and this one in particular was my favorite, and they gave us a couple samples. Wanted to go ahead and give them a bit of a shout out here.
Okay. Yeah, I'm with my guy right here, the Master Grill truck, Amaya J's Barbecue. That's the owner right there.
Hey folks, how you doing? I'm Derek with Amaya J's Barbecue. I'm the grill master here. We're a small family-owned business, just trying to get our name out there. You know, hope you come and check us out on all the social media accounts.
Definitely check them out. Their food was amazing. This show was awesome. And if you like this video, please leave me a like. So if you subscribe, just know that I appreciate it. And until next time, this has been Crispy Driver, and have yourself a wonderful day.